Yes, I'm here in an undisclosed location, getting ready to paint my spirit animal of the week, the pink flamingo, my muse. Not sure what's going on right there. It's attention-seeking behavior. Just ignore that. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. I know that everyone here has wanted to see flamingos for a long time being painted onto an acrylic pour embellishment, if you will. And I have thought to myself, well, give the people what they want. That handful, less than 1%, that wants to see flamingos, I'm gonna cater to all of you who love flamingos and have wanted to see flamingos. I'm Lydia Broderick and welcome to my channel. So this is the acrylic pour, which was I think 2 videos ago. I'll put it up here somewhere, or up here. It will go in one of these corners, where you can see the video where I created this acrylic pour. And I think it's actually, I'm gonna have it turned this way. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be great. I might make it into a clock, resin it, make it all functional. Painting some flamingos. So let's get started. I'm going to basically make an acrylic embellishment on this acrylic pour. Now we're talking. This is gonna be great. Let's get cracking. Release the kraken. That was quite a trip back to the studio from my location where I painted this. My undisclosed location. Anyway, this is the final result. As you can see, I resined it. It's quite pretty. I love the color scheme. I was going to go with 2 flamingos originally, and then once I did the first flamingo, I really liked the composition with the solitary flamingo. Really kind of reminds me of me. Standing alone. It's actually a self-portrait. I have a very long neck. Just kidding. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and feel free to leave any questions in the comment section or anything that I try to get back to everybody that leaves a comment for the most part. So I will see you next time. I would wave, but I'm holding this. Love you guys. Bye.